first impression was that he just wanted to understand what are we looking in our house. First call, he invited us to visit his studio, and I was just super impressed. We both were completely impressed. The way he could create a 3D render of exactly what we were envisioning, it's like a dream coming true. Hi, I am Hitesh.
Hi, I'm Gitanjali.
And I'm so happy to see that almost everything that we saw in the video has been realized.
Yeah.
The communication was good actually, and I think Imran and the team took effort to make sure keeping me updated on the progress. There were changes that we required along the way, right? I mean, everybody will have a second thought of how something should be done, and I'm super impressed that not just they accommodated updating the design, and I know it included some of the duplication of the work, but they were quite efficient in terms of not changing my timeline and still accommodating the changes that we were looking up. There was a point where even me and my wife decided let's change the color of tiles instead of this, and it was so good to see that Imran and team accommodated that. Actually, we have seen YouTube videos, right? We have seen the nightmares of what goes through, what can go wrong in the interior journey, and we were skeptical. It's not a small investment, it's not a small decision, so we were nervous, but thankfully everything went as per plan actually. Well, I did my research. I was reading the reviews online. When Imran said that he can deliver it, I went and checked the Google reviews, and based on that confidence that I could gather, we took a leap of faith actually, and it turned out well. The communications were apt. We had to at times communicate to our condo management, and I think Imran and team were so nice to us that when I was not in country, they will go to the management and talk on behalf, and I think solve the issues if required.
The first one, kitchen, more spacious and brightness, and it's very comfortable to work there. And the master bedroom, very, very big. I love the island table. I love the overall theme of the house. It's bright, colors, everything. Most favorite is storage. Lots of storage.
Yeah, we built a lot of storage actually.
Yeah.
Literally, you can hide the entire sofa if you want to. The other thing that they accommodated is that the master room, we wanted a quite spacious master room, but given the unit design, there were two rooms that they could merge and come up with an idea where I could have my office room, but when it's not in use, it becomes a part of the master room. That was amazing idea. Actually, we loved it. So my wife had an idea of a bit of art gallery. She paints actually, so the idea to keep one of the wall a bit simple and convert it as an art gallery, and versus keeping the wall behind me as more of a display and a design work was good actually, because it's fitting in well. When people walks in, they see the two mix of these. One side there's the interior work done, on the other side there are art display, so we like that idea.
No one can understand our theme, what we want, na? Like a little bit Indian touch, little bit modern touch, and luxury.
I think Imran did a well job of blending both of these ideas and coming up with the final design. So I think the trigger for both of us, we will agree, is that the confidence and the honesty that Imran showed. His words were that I want to be in position after we deliver the house to you to have a cup of tea with you. That means maintain our relationship, and that can only happen if he delivers what he's committing. I bought it actually. I bought that idea. Okay, let's see. And fast forward today, we sit and he comes in our house and have a tea. It's a testimony itself that we're quite happy with whatever he has delivered.
Overall, I'm very happy with the house, and my kids are also very happy.